So hey guys, this is Matt Cricket's comedian and we today have Fenris Lycan with us. So Fenris, tell us how feeling for the first video.
Feeling pretty nervous actually because it's the first time we are doing face cam. Of course, second time for you, but
First time, yeah. But after all, how are feeling? What the audience will be liking you? Will the audience be liking you?
that actually they can only tell us.
Okay. So I want to ask you that according to your opinion, what is actually comedy?
What is comedy?
Means comedy of what types makes people fun?
That's actually a very hard question to answer because actually comedy has many meanings for many different people. But so for some, comedy is only fun, whereas for some it's an art. Comedy is an art of making people laugh. For me, actually, it's an art of making people feel happy,
Okay.
to make them laugh, to make them feel joy.
Okay. So according to you, what are memes?
You know, in computer there are things like constants and variables.
Yeah.
Variables means mainly contain the constants. Like that, memes are memes here are the memes are the variables, and the comedy here is a constant. Means the memes actually memes are a way or mode of expressing our views and to make people what to say. Let's rephrase the sentence. And to means make people happy, to make them laugh,
To make
share
people
our
laugh.
opinions. And
Yes,
you know.
so I'm about to tell that memes are of many types, starting from So these are the starting of memes from the 1990s. People start laughing from it. So after that, from to today, this age, it's been almost 20 to 30 years, and memes have varied a lot. Not only that, all memes have to be adult memes and love related memes. Up to some extent, they are also funny. We also give it our channel, but there are also family friendly memes which people can make, which can tear out your guts. You agree?
Yeah.
Memes always don't need to be adult to make laugh.
Memes actually I've said it.
Family
Memes-
friendly memes can also.
Actually, I think I've said it once. That memes can be of a variety of types actually.
Yeah.
Like there is no end to a variety of memes actually.
Yeah. So, what do you, which programs do you prefer as super comedy? Friends is one.
Actually, I am a. It's my view actually. So in the upcoming videos, we will get some more memes like chess memes and anime related memes,
Yeah.
because I like those things, because you can only make memes out of the subjects which you like. That will enhance your thinking process. So yeah.
Yes. So, what do you think that the future of comedy? Future, what type of memes will be produced?
Look.
Most people, most teenagers are of the same idea that memes need to be adult ones. If you don't make them, people say that you are baby. In fact, honestly, I was also at the first of that idea, but now while I've been making more videos, I think that how to make the meme more family friendly and more funny. I also give a few rarely adult memes, but not much. So in the future of comedy, what do you think? Memes will occupy a place for all age groups or only for the adults?
Look, I am not a visionary, but I think memes should accommodate all age groups. Because means why should only a age group have all the fun, right?
Yeah.
So basically, I think means all people should have an equitable share of the content.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So most parents laugh at some meme, show it to the family members, and then the child say, "What is it? What is it?" So when the parents deny, they feel neglected. So to avoid that feeling, all should enjoy it.
Yeah, that's a very good point.
Yeah. So memes are things that all can share and all can enjoy. So how can we and the others improve the memes quality? So I can say that to what do you say? You say first. How can improve the memes?
No, actually, you asked the question. Please guide
Okay.
us towards the right direction.
Okay, so we can improve the memes by browsing and reading the memes. Of course, we can browse, practice, think about the current happenings around us, about the universe news,
And accommodate all age groups.
and accommodate all it. No, I am not taking that adult memes are bad, but I am not taking a neglected. There should be, but not in such a number that it creates a discrepancy.
Yeah, actually, the thing is not about whether it's good or bad.
Yes.
It's all about a target audience,
Yeah.
right? So yeah, means we should launch a greater broad-based program
Yeah.
about a target audience.
And also with what are the topics we can involve to improve the memes. I can say that the happenings around us, the news,
Yeah,
many
of
cartoons, games are of course.
Of course, current affairs are a very good because
We are all aware with all the Among Us memes.
of course. So means there is a trend or tradition in memes not to deviate from the current affairs, and it's really good because we can connect with it. Nobody wants a 1990s meme right now because except for some people, because
Yes. Yeah. So
it gives kind of a little cringy to some people. Actually, I am a big fan of the old school style, but to everybody it's so.
okay. So memes are also there that they crush, girlfriend, boyfriend. So do you like these kinds of memes?
Actually, I am single,
Do
so
you
I
like-
am not actually better. I am not actually better suited to answer this question because actually I am
No,
single.
actually from the side of memes, do you think that it will suit that?
means actually I don't have an opinion. If the audience likes it, then it's okay. It's whatever rings your cowbell.
Okay, so and also there are the other meme is
ये हमारी कार है और ये हमें और ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है पार्टी हो रही है पार्टी हो रही है
very nice. Carry on. So this party or meme, what do you think that it is so famous that a girl saying ये हम हैं, ये हमारी गाड़ी है, ये हमें party हो रही है, and people all messing around it.
Actually, I think Yashraj Mukhate made it famous. It's my opinion, but actually I think because I've already said what जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, हाँ मतलब to be in straight Hindi terms.
Okay,
Means
yeah.
what we see is what we sell, what sells actually. So right now it's Pauri Hore because people think it's cool, it's groovy, it's trendy, but soon there I think it will not last much time because within a year or maybe within a few months the trend will change actually.
Yes.
Because nothing is constant, right?
So these are the kinds of memes people spread a lot.
Yeah.
So you tell some other things which made everyone viral.
Yeah. Can you please repeat the question once?
You please mention some memes which were very viral, but the memes are very simple. So for the Bengalis, I am going to tell that a few days earlier there was a meme that a man went to have some tea in the lockdown period. So
Oh, the cha khabona,
yes,
right?
yes, that thing.
Yeah.
So the man went have some tea. So the news general said us,
Yeah.
"You cha খাচ্ছ না?" So it all কেন খাবো না চা খাবো না?
চায়ের দোকান খুলে রেখেছে
চা খাবো না আমরা
আজকে বন্ধ আছে
আমরা খাবো না চা
So these things are very simple. The man who is poor, didn't know about the lockdown, and that became so huge meme that the man's name came to be known as Cha Kaku.
Yeah, it was in the trend. I saw it actually. So basically, see here. So basically, we don't need actually too deep meaning memes right now because nobody is a
Memes
philosopher.
can vary from simple of situation to the complexes of situation.
Yeah, actually, but nobody means to very complex memes.
Yeah.
Means nobody is a philosopher or a virgin in life because life screws them all.
Yeah.
So yeah. So but means these two memes actually I can say in my opinion that they are really shallow in a sense.
Yeah.
Means they're,
And I don't think that it is so much funny that you will continuously trend it. And next meme is that we have seen a few days ago a baby, no, not a baby, 3 to 4 year old child asking, বিয়ে হবে না আমার, বিয়ে করব।
actually I'm not seeing that.
আমাকে বিয়ে দাও তবু আমার বাবা আমাকে বিয়ে দেয় না। আমার পড়াশোনা ভালো লাগে না।
তুই কি ছেলে রে, তোর বিয়ে দিতে হবে, তুই পড়াশোনা করবি নি? তোর লজ্জা লাগে না এই কথাটা বলতে? আমি তোর বাবাকে ভিডিও করে পাঠাবো, দাঁড়া।
আমার বিয়ে করতে ভালো লাগছে।
বিয়ে?
আমি বিয়ে করে শ্বশুর বাড়ি থাকবো।
So Fenris, what do you think? Why a child suddenly decided to leave his studies and wanted to marry?
I don't know. Don't ask me. Ask that child. Maybe that child is jobless or just too cocky.
Yeah.
Or maybe.
I think that Fenris, you will also be a great meme. So I think that from surface level, as you think that the surface level, it seems that the child really must, but all the thing is scripted.
I know that actually.
Hmm.
Yeah, from deep down we know that. Actually, basically, it's child labor, man. You are means putting a child as a show cause,
Yeah.
as a dummy, so that you can get your script and you can get your views. So basically, it's not approvable. I don't approve it, but many people may approve it. So I
Yeah.
don't know if I'm in a
So,
situation.
but
to
after all,
decide.
the meme is very funny and it spread all over West Bengal.
I know that. Actually, I've seen it for the first time.
Yeah, you seen my person.
Yeah, because I am kind of a boomer. So let's go.
And let's just skip that Hindustani house here because I don't think that's a meme. That contains a slang that we should skip by. So
Actually, it was made in TikTok, so
Yeah.
it's basically a video, but you can't say it is a meme. It
let's
gives
just
a-
skip that guy. We do not cooperate with that guy. That's a dirty guy.
No, I kind of like it, but actually, yeah.
That-
They had he had some slangs, and I had the audacity to watch it before my parents, and I got hella beaten up. So let's
Okay.
skip that. That's a very painful.
So next meme which we are going to see is the
बात करने वाले हैं विनोद के बारे में। फिर से बात करने वाले हैं विनोद के बारे में।
पिछले 10 दिनों से मेरे चैनल के कमेंट सेक्शन की वाट लग चुकी है। पहले मुझे लगा कि ठीक है, होगा कुछ विनोद, खत्म हो जाएगा, लेकिन ये बीमारी आपसे और मुझसे बहुत बढ़कर है। मैं जब कमेंट्स पढ़ता हूँ ना, तभी आंखों पे मास्क पहनना पड़ता है। मुझसे कमेंट्स पढ़े नहीं जा रहे। ऐसा लग रहा है कि जिंदगी में सब कुछ विनोद हो चुका है। मुझे मालूम नहीं कि ये और कितने दिन चलता रहेगा, लेकिन मैं ऐसे जी नहीं सकता। इसलिए मैंने सोच लिया कि विनोद को खत्म करना ही पड़ेगा। इस दुनिया को हमें बचाना पड़ेगा। लेकिन अगर हमें विनोद को खत्म करना है तो हमें जानना पड़ेगा कि आखिर ये विनोद है क्या। किसी को भी मालूम नहीं कि विनोद कौन है, क्यों है, क्या है। सब लोग का बस एक ही चीज चालू है, विनोद विनोद विनोद। हम एक ऐसी चीज से सामना कर रहे हैं जिसका कोई अस्तित्व नहीं है। अस्तित्व। तो सबसे पहले हमें ढूंढना पड़ेगा व्हाट इज विनोद। अब मैं तो ये कर नहीं सकता, मुझे इतनी
starting from this meme, everywhere we see Binod. So what is this Binod? Everywhere the gaming names, PUBG, COD, Free Fire, Among Us, people came to with the username with Binod. So
Yeah.
why this Binod? Who's this Binod?
Actually, I'm gonna give a reference to your earlier question that you asked me that some memes die down after some months. So yeah, this Binod was selling like hotcakes just a month before. But right now there is this Pauri ho rahi hai, and there is another meme which I think we can the Shweta meme we can do it later on. So yeah, so these two memes have really displaced Binod from his throne. So yeah, this Binod meme was quite hot some time ago. So this Binod is actually, if memory serves, then it was in a Slay Point video where person means wrote Binod, his name.
We are
Binod,
seeing
yeah.
that just now the video. So
The Binod in the comment, I
Yeah.
think, if memory serves, because I don't remember that.
okay. So next we move on to the Sweta video call meme. Let's just see the.
वो बंदी सिर्फ मेरे को यूज कर रही थी और मुझे बात पता भी नहीं थी, मतलब ये था कि उसको पता थी वो जब भी उसके साथ था, ये था कि मतलब वो बंदी के पीछे में इतना पागल था कि मतलब
एकदम पागल बेटा,
ये था
एकदम पागल।
एडिक्टेड थी लड़की। तो कह रहा था कि जैसे
Your mic is on.
सेम ऐसे ही हुआ था उसके साथ, लेकिन लड़के के साथ। सोच श्वेता भाई, मतलब ये था कि कह रहा था कि वो बंदी ने
Is Sweta, why? What a meme. Why people calling in the video, Zoom video?
So yeah, that's the reason you must be careful when to say something,
Yeah,
and
that
you
is-
must be very sure to mute your Zoom call. Yeah, you must mute your Zoom call when talking to another people. So yeah, I think it's has spread by mistake, but actually it has
It's
given
spread.
us some
So many memes
content.
spread by mistake, and there are a few unlucky people who are the victims.
Yeah.
No one knows that we can also be the victim one day. No one can predict.
We are not in a philosophy class, right? Let's think out content, but actually it's bad for
Yeah.
scapegoating some people.
So
But
all
still,
over we
yeah.
have discussed many memes all over. So after all, what kind of memes do you prefer more? And after all, up till now we are giving only picture memes. So in picture memes, what types you prefer more?
Actually, I said it because we are experimenting with the chess memes and anime memes, but in I don't have really particular taste in memes because see, meme is like food. You may like one food one day, and you may like one another the other day. Like
Another
music,
day.
yeah. So yeah, I can't say what type I prefer, but actually I do think that video memes are really better than the
Video
picture
memes.
memes. Yeah, and
Video memes are better, but actually the thing is that we can video memes must under the copyright. So actually from
Yeah.
copyright there are many hacks, many
Yeah,
troubles,
yeah,
and we
there
want to
are-
avoid those troubles.
Yeah,
So
that is a CC problem. So we won't be giving.
we are
the,
not doing video memes, but for the
Video
picture
memes
memes
for-
only there are many memes which can mix up. There is one meme I saw one day that during the corona the alcohol bottle as a sanitizer.
Yeah.
These are the some of the,
That was a hot cake in the market. right?
yeah. So up till now we have talked about memes. So now I am going to tell you some questions. I will also answer. So
Rapid fire.
no, not rapid fire.
Thank God.
Now, I want to tell you that what's your idea about GF crush? What do you think? Just be honest. Nothing will
Actually, I
happen.
already said it to you. I am really single and I'm not means keen on
No.
changing my status anytime soon. So yeah.
Now, should people have relationships in the school time?
Now see, many people. For me, it's a no, of course, because
Yeah.
no.
It's
But
a natural
many people will say that he can't get a GF. It's seasonally blah blah. blah.
After
So,
all, it's a
I am just leaving this topic aside. How about you answer it?
after all, I will say that it is a natural human instinct. So I also do not have any crush. I am also totally single. But I can say if anyone you like, you can interact with mix with him or her.
Yeah, look, there is a difference between liking and loving. There is a difference between love and lust. So, of course.
Okay. So I am talking about friendship. In friendship, what are the things that affect you, hurt you?
Actually, I haven't been hurt much because, like my friend here, Mr. Comedian,
Matt Creates.
Matt Creates comedian, right? So yeah, and there are some other friends. They are really good. I mean, they have. I see them as a part of my family. They are like they are like my brothers. For me, after all. So actually, I have never been hurt much by them. At least not knowingly.
Okay. So are your friends really trustworthy that you can share your all private instincts? See, among the girls, I can say that friends are very kind-hearted, not like the gusty boys who. Suppose I'm doing the difference between a boy and a girl. A boy is in a relationship. Boys will tell who's your girlfriend, did you date, did you do, and the girls will try to encourage. So this is the difference with it. So are your friends like pranking you on? Friends will prank only.
Of course.
Friends are for pranking.
You can't escape that.
Yeah.
Because friends will always prank you. Because it's a matter of fun for them.
Yeah.
They don't care about the instinct.
Yeah, they really don't care about instinct. So these are so now. What would you like to ask me?
I haven't actually prepared a question sheet, but I'm gonna ask you. Means actually I've known you for quite some while, so I'm gonna repeat your questions. So, what are your opinions about this love life in student?
I do not have any anti-sense in these love life in students in college. So these are very but. One thing is that you should not fall in trouble. The things do not be so much extreme, or you should not badly use it. This is the
your mind should be open, not naked man.
Yes. So even in the world famous Harry Potter novel series, there are references of romance.
Yeah. Actually, it's a young adult because
Harry Potter is
you become kind of means it's a transition from a child to an adult. So yeah, you will come across many people will come across these things. We are going through that phase.
Yeah,
actually.
but till now we haven't come to that phase. We both of us didn't come to that phase.
Not a love life phase.
Neither
and we don't plan on it actually. I can say for myself.
Yeah.
But I think I know him long enough to answer for him in this respect. So.
Okay, and another thing is that some incidents occur in school which spread so rapidly that people start making fun of him. What are the things?
Yeah, let's see. The rumors are like weeds. They will spread at the first chance they get. So, better not hear some rumors. Yeah, and also we also make pranks, but we must not cross the limit. Okay, there's a limit.
And we must not harm anyone, brother.
Yeah, means you can. You should you can disregard sentiment, but you can't hurt it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
so
like that.
We all come in school at some point of age. We all call our teachers by nicknames. You cannot disagree that we all have nicknames for teacher.
Nobody can deny it.
Yeah. So what are the nicknames in your school? You say.
No comments.
No comments. Okay.
No, because maybe one of my teachers is seeing this, and also my
we should avoid it.
My exam papers have not yet been revealed. Okay, so they may see it and they may deduct my marks.
Okay, so let's just skip it.
Sir, you are seeing me. Nothing. I am not seeing it.
So the next thing is that like the school thing, a meme. I just given the school example because a meme takes hardly 24 hours to be worldwide. So why do the memes get viral?
Because see, memes get viral because they have a structure, they have a skeleton, they have the content. To be precise, they have the skeleton, they have the content. Because you can reach to many people with the memes in social media. They are only they are either 16:9 or 6:9 boxes, but they can convey many messages, right? So that's why Einstein himself said. Actually, I can't say the entire saying, but he said that if you are a genius, you will be able to means short means what to say, means let's just say that you will able to means express a complex idea in simple terms. Okay. So yeah, he kind of said that. So meme is an excellent example of that.
So I may say that what makes a meme viral. So I think that the things that makes meme viral are the quality and the contents that attracts people.
Yeah, actually that's the point, because you can't give a
First
trash
of all, the
meme.
incidents going around us. Donald Trump memes are very common nowadays. So I do not make any comment on that because that will go a political one. Football memes, Ronaldo, Messi.
Yeah.
Ronaldo, Messi, all Ronaldo, Messi memes are there.
Just asking, which one do you prefer?
So Ronaldo.
Very bad taste. Next question.
You also very bad taste. That will be controversy within that's not to show in here.
Yeah, we can after the video we can have a little chat.
Yeah.
Most probably a quarrel, a fight.
Okay. So now you ask me a question.
Actually, in school, actually throughout my whole life I've been answering questions, right? So right now you are asking me to ask questions. That's the hardest part. Okay, to find questions. So let's see.
Let's just talk about some meme figures.
Yeah. It will be better actually, because I can come up with that instantly. Okay.
So starting from Mr. Bean, starting from Charlie Chaplin, that is the start of the meme and
culture actually.
Comedy from the latest start of the 20th century. So we can see him as a comedy. It's been world famous. Even today, people watch that. So it's not like it's far different from today's comedy. So what are the things that make people laugh here? I hope you watch them.
Yeah, of course. So let's see here. One of my memes teachers, actually my geography teacher, told us that meme making is an art, and actually she's not wrong. Of course, she's much greater than me in age and experience and everything. She's not bound to be wrong in this aspect. So yeah, meme making is an art, and every art has its own followers. This particular art attracts people because this sells. Meme sells. So yeah, people means have their engagements for this content. People invest their time in this content. So it's good. It's all good. No comments right now.
Okay, so after that we come to the one and only Mr. Bean. That's a different type of comedy.
Yeah, we grew up on
We
that.
also saw a video clip of Mr. Bean.
Yeah.
So after all, Mr. Bean is a cool guy.
He's a cool guy. He's really a cool guy. No, let's not be awkward. Yeah, he's a cool guy. Actually, we grew up on him, like Tom and Jerry and Mr. Bean.
Yeah, Tom and Jerry.
Before anime was available to us.
Yeah.
So yeah, I really like that guy. He was really funny.
Yeah.
Yeah. So right now. Yeah, anime has its things. Anime is funny, everything. But
And
I feel
about
like
the Japanese cartoon, of course, one of the funniest is the Shin-chan.
Yeah, it's
The
just
boy-
right now.
Whatever the boys does, it can make you laugh, and also I don't have to say anything. Every one of you watched that.
Everybody knows that. I have not watched it, but I know about it.
Yeah. So these are some of the topics we have discussed with you. Hope you like the video. So please subscribe and continue watching our videos. So we are nearby 100 subscribers. So
Yeah, come on, man. 100 is a borderline. We are just right now. We are stuck at 66. So
yeah, it's
please,
all due to your support.
make
We
us
are
100.
grateful for you. We are
Yeah.
grateful for you because of your support. You're all guys watching our videos. We have
Come
reached
on, man.
66.
You can just smash the subscribe button and then
Yes.
make us cross 100.
Yes, so
means very
I
grateful
hope
to
you are
you.
liking our picture memes. We will be giving all other memes, and so we will. He is also giving. I am also giving. So if you don't like the quality, then you can also comment under the description box. So last, you want to say anything to the audience? Last.
Yeah, I have only one thing to say to everybody who is watching us. Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye. Yo.